everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Maria and I am a licensed esthetician, lash educator, and a lash technician. So we're going to go over how to perform a hybrid wispy full set using Russian volume fans. All of my fans in this video are handmade. If you would like to learn how to create Russian volume fans, I do have a couple of in-depth tutorials that you can watch on my channel. These fans will range between 8D to 15D. The lengths I am using on my client today are 13 millimeters in the inner corner, and they will extend up to 16 millimeters for the longest lengths. The reason why I have chosen 16 millimeter for the longest length is because her natural lashes actually extend 15 millimeters naturally. So her natural lashes can hold that weight. And we will be using 0.3 Russian volume lash extensions. I have started off in the inner corner only because they are the most challenging for me. So I like to just kind of get a couple out of the way and place them there and then work my way up in length. Whenever I create hybrid sets, I do like to do 50% of the classic lashes and 50% of the volume lashes. And I usually place my volume lashes on first before I do my classic lashes. Everybody does things differently on how they style their clients or how they were taught, but I personally like to put volume lashes first. This way I can kind of, see my lengths and see the style that I'm already achieving, and then that's when I'll go in and place my classic lash extensions on the remaining natural lashes that I have. As you can see, now the style is slowly forming. If you notice, the fans that I've created are wide, and the reason I do this is so that it gives that wispy look. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe to be one of the first to see my newest videos. If you have any ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below.